Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Trust and Obey. It's a very easy song to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print out the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and follow along as we learn this song together. Hey guys, if you're not a current subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And I appreciate everyone else who supports this channel. So let's get started. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Okay, the chords used to play this song are D major, A7, and A major, G major, B7, and lastly E minor. Okay, this song is written in 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per every measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the strumming pattern that I'll be using is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Kind of strumming the downstroke on the beat number 1 a little bit harder. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? When we walk with the Lord in the light of His Word, what a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still, and with all who will trust and obey. Okay, and of course we're going to be using A7, D major, and then we're going to be going into that B7, and then E minor, and then back to A7, D, A7, and D. Okay, let's play through that one time. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Okay, now let's look at the second verse. Not a burden we bear, not a sorrow we share, but our toil He doth richly repay. Not a grief or a loss, not a frown or a cross, but is blessed if we trust and obey. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that thumbs up for me. I would appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. So have a blessed day. God bless you.